Okay, I had a student ask if I could do a video showing question 4 on assignment for chapter 15. So we are asked to calculate the purchase price of a $1,000 face value bond using the information given below. So we're going to use the bond worksheet. Excuse me, I had a tickle in my throat. We're going to use the bond worksheet. So to access that, you hit second and the number 9, because the bond worksheet is just above the number 9 there. So second and number 9. That starts up the bond worksheet. Now the first thing that pops up is SDT, which is settlement date. So the settlement date is, in our case here, the purchase date. Move my screen. So that is April 15th, 2009. Now how you enter dates, you always enter them the same way with the calculator. It's the month, decimal, and then the date, 2 digits, and the year, 2 digits. So it's April 15th, 2009. So it's going to be 4.1509. Enter. Scroll down, the down arrow, and it's coupon, CPN. So the coupon rate is 4.9. So 4.9. Enter. And then the down arrow, and we get RDT, which is redemption date. And that is the maturity date here. January 1, 2029. So it's 1 for January, decimal, 01, because you have to put in 2 numbers for the date. So the first is 01, and then the year is 2029, so it's 29. So 1.0129, enter. You scroll down and we get RV, which is redemption value, but we leave that. For everything that we're going to be doing in this book, we're going to leave it as 100. So I just scroll down. ACT, actual, we just leave that, scroll down. 2/Y means there's 2 coupon payments per year. You can change it between 2 and 1, but everything we're going to deal with is going to always be 2. So you just scroll down past that. Yield, YLD. So we have the option of computing yield or price. Here, yield, which is the market rate, is 5.4. So we enter 5.4, enter, and then scroll down. And we need to compute price. You could be given price, and you need to compute the rate. So you're given one or the other, and you compute the other. So we entered the yield, so we scroll down to PRI, which is price, and you hit compute. Now with this information that we just put in, you are going to get 93.97172644. That is the price. By hitting compute, then, if you scroll down again, AI, which is accrued interest. So when you hit compute, it computed the price and the accrued interest. And the accrued interest is 1.407734807. So now to get the price, we are going to add the price and accrued interest together. So you take those two and add them together, and you get 95.37946125. Whatever answer you get, because again, if you tried it for your assignment, you would have gotten different dates and different rates and whatnot. So whatever answer you get, you multiply by 10, and that will be your purchase price. So when you multiply that by 10, you get 953.79, and it just goes on. But obviously it's a price, it's a dollar value, so we want 2 decimal places. Pay attention if you see this. It's bolded in red. Do not round intermediate calculations. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. So when we got our price and our accrued interest and we added everything together, you leave everything unrounded. And then your final answer, because it's a dollar value, we're rounding it to 2 decimal places. That's where you do your rounding. So here, 953.79. So you can also use, obviously, the formula here, but again, when possible, I tend to use the calculator, but you're free to plug the numbers into the formula, which is given in chapter 15. I'm not sure what page. I think it's section 15.4 if I remember correctly. I have the book in front of me. Bond price on any date. So yes, I'm guessing that would be in 15.4. Actually, I think example 15.4 point A and B those examples look like this question. All right, hopefully that helps.